Greetings, aloha, shalom. This is your brother Wasil Bey, and we are Shamstoppers. This is a business, a team over here. We're not a sovereign citizen movement, anti-government movement, anti-police, radical group, terrorist group. We ain't none of that shit. Go to the about section. We reserve all our rights, waive none. Um, if you don't want our services, fellas, go read a book. Okay, that's all you got to do. You know what I mean? That's all you have to do. We ain't begging for your money. Be careful for that people on YouTube is giving you free shit, documents and forms because these legal people have task force and they watching and they laughing at your dumb asses. I'm laughing too, by the way. Okay? I'm laughing because you've been warned a long time ago. You've been warned. Now, New Jersey, jurisdiction. You ready for this? The Superior Court shall have jurisdiction over an action brought under this act. The act shall be joined with an action for divorce, annulment, right? Separate maintenance or support, child support. A person who has sexual intercourse, because you entered into her and nature took its course, right? And the state thereby submits to the jurisdiction of the courts of this state as to an action brought under this act with respect to a child who may have been conceived. So she received your seed that she conceived by the act of intercourse. In addition to any other method provided by law, personal jurisdiction may be acquired by service. All they gotta do is mail you something in accordance with the rules of the court. The action may be brought in the county in which the child or the alleged father resides or is found. See, you can run, but you can't hide. They gonna find you because we got all this technology. The reason why, the only way they can't find you if you don't tell your business. You ain't out here running your mouth like some of these guys on YouTube sound like a bunch of females, right? If the father is deceased, in which proceedings for probate, which means probation as well, because it's about money, sex, and drugs, fellas, of his estate, which is your person, have been or could be commenced. Now, let's go to the book. See what it says jurisdiction, right? For domestic relations court, bastardized court, people who ain't married, okay? Now, let's check what the book says. The book says a little bit different. They ain't gonna tell you everything on the internet. Look, jurisdiction joiner and venue, right? The Supreme Court shall have jurisdiction over action brought under this act. Okay, same thing. Same thing. Now, let's look at the leading cases, okay? Putative father's domicile in New Jersey constituted basis for adjudicating support obligations under New Jersey law. Guess what? You say you are a state citizen. Guess what, state citizen? That's under New Jersey's law, right? Entire controversy doctrine precluded natural mother's paternity complaint against the putative fathers following entry of divorce judgment. Okay, it was a divorce judgment, right? Incorporating settlement agreement, right? That most of you have signed, because the color law form is not going to work for these instances. It's not. People lying on YouTube. They ain't going to show no proof. They lying. Okay, it's false. We put up proof. We doing big things than anybody else on YouTube with this child support shit involving child custody and support issues. Okay, and look at these cases where it's from. The appellate division. You see that? Invoking statutory jurisdiction over a father in North Carolina who had sexual intercourse. Now, how would they know that y'all had intercourse? Somebody got to tell. It was only 2 people in the room. You didn't tell on yourself. Guess what? She told on your ass. Okay? With the mother in New Jersey some 23 years earlier, which may have led to birth of the child paternity action. Let me tell y'all something, fellas. I can't say what I want to say like talking about, because there's a lot of grown-ups out here get their feelings hurt, you know, because I don't know who raised them. All right? It's time out for the BS. Y'all want to get rid of this stuff? Hit us up. If you want to play around, keep doing that these forums, people giving out free stuff because it's funny. You know what I'm talking about? We coming out with a podcast. We gonna get the ball rolling, man. We really finna put our neck on this child support shit. Ain't nobody put like this. Ain't nobody doing what Shamstoppers just doing. Ain't nobody. No one. Put up some cases if y'all do. Put up some cases that's been dismissed by a judge with a signature. Put up some federal court cases. Shut us up. You know what I mean? Put up or shut up. Now for the responsible people who ain't complaining and whining like little women, hit us up, man. You know how to reach us. Peace.